Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two unique washing machines designed for small spaces. On one side, we have the Anypro portable washing machine, boasting a generous 17.8 pounds capacity and full automation. On the other side, we have the DXJJ portable folding mini washer, a compact and foldable solution perfect for travel and quick washes. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of capacity, functionality, and price. When it comes to capacity, the Anypro portable washing machine takes the lead with an impressive 17.8 pounds capacity, making it suitable for larger loads and daily laundry needs. In contrast, the DXJJ portable folding mini washer has a much smaller capacity of 10 liters, which is ideal for washing small items like underwear and baby clothes. This significant difference in capacity is crucial for users to consider based on their laundry requirements. In terms of functionality, the Anypro portable washing machine offers a full wash and spin combo, allowing users to wash and dry their clothes in one machine. It features 10 wash programs and 8 water levels for customizable washing. On the other hand, the DXJJ portable folding mini washer is a wash-only unit, meaning users will need to manually wring out their clothes or line dry them after washing. This makes the Anypro a more versatile option for those who want a complete laundry solution. Price is another critical factor. The Anypro portable washing machine is priced at $199, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. In contrast, the DXJJ portable folding mini washer is much more affordable at just $50, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers or those looking for a secondary washing solution. However, potential buyers should weigh the cost against the functionality and capacity they need. In conclusion, both the Anypro portable washing machine and the DXJJ portable folding mini washer serve unique purposes. The Anypro is perfect for those needing a full-featured washing solution for daily use, while the DXJJ is ideal for travelers or those with limited laundry needs. Consider your priorities, capacity, functionality, and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.